Let's go over the steps for proper maintenance on your Hoover Rewind Pet upright vacuum. First, make sure the vacuum is off and the power cord is unplugged. Then, press the bin release button to remove the dirt cup. Hold it over a trash can and press the dirt cup release button to empty out the contents. Inspect the intake port on the dirt cup for any clogs and clear them out. You should also inspect the intake port on the vacuum for any clogs and remove them. Now, let's clean and inspect the belt and brush roll. Recline your vacuum and flip it over to access the nozzle guard plate. These 5 screws will need to be removed. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove all the screws. Pull away the nozzle guard to access the belt and brush roll. Then pull the brush roll up and out to remove it. Use a pair of scissors to cut along the grooves and remove any wrapped hair or debris. Next, inspect the drive belt for any damage or tears. If your belt is damaged and needs to be replaced, first, pull the belt away from the drive shaft and dispose of it. Take the new replacement belt and slip it over the drive shaft. Slide this end of the brush roll through the belt. Align the end caps with the cutouts on the nozzle. Pull the belt taut and slide the brush roll into place. You can spin the brush roll by hand to ensure the belt is properly aligned. Then, reattach the nozzle guard. Resecure the 5 screws to the nozzle guard. Flip the vacuum over and stand it upright. To maintain optimal cleaning performance, it's important to clean your filters. If there's hair or debris wrapped around the separator filter, it's likely time to rinse both the separator and the premotor filter. To access the filters, lift up on this tab. Twist the yellow filter counterclockwise to remove it, and pull the separator filter out completely. Use a cloth to wipe down the outside of the separator filter to remove any wrapped hair or debris. Then, rinse the yellow filter under warm running water, squeezing out the excess water repeatedly until the water runs clear. Repeat these steps with the separator filter. Then, set both filters aside to dry for 24 hours. Once all parts are fully dry, take the separator filter and align these notches with the cutouts on the tank. Push down so the separator filter is flush. Reinsert the yellow filter by twisting clockwise until it clicks. Close the lid and reseat the dirt cup on your vacuum. And that's it. If you experience any issues or have any questions, please do not hesitate to chat with us at hoover.com.